Hey, it's William. Welcome to my channel. So this will be a kind of like a new format. I want to experiment a little bit. So it's like a semi-podcast, semi me facing the camera talking sort of show, and mainly about what I've been doing and some of the news that I heard and some of the applications that I've been experimenting and yeah, just some of the thought I want to share with you guys. So yeah, let's get started. First, yeah, I got this beautiful girl, anime girl drawing finished, and I'm going to use this as a background, okay? Because I draw her the same hair color as my VRM avatar. Okay, so yeah, if you haven't seen that, I strongly recommend you check it out. And then I'm going to quickly share with this. I quick recently experiment with Comfy UI and AI a lot, and let me just bring myself a little bit smaller. Okay, so yeah, basically it's a really interesting way of using AI, harness the power of AI and experiment a little bit. I used, say, in this example, I used my drawing as a learning mechanism and use some of the scribble, yeah, just like a quick sketch that I did, like just a 1 or 2 15 seconds maybe, and then quickly learn from my sort of drawing style and generate image, something like that. Yeah, yeah, I believe that AI have a great potential, but right now it can't be just take it and use it. But my understanding is that AI can have great potential, but it have to be in the right hands. Okay, so if for those of you guys say, hey, I just one click and input something and I'm an artist. No, you are not. Regretfully, you are not. I even though I learn a lot, I still can't just shamelessly claim I'm an artist. I'm not. I'm just a beginner. I'm always a learner, and I believe AI have a potential, but you have to actually at the hands of the people who want to create something and who have a great taste of art in order to create great art, create meaning art. You can have a great model trained, and you can generate like amazing image, but if you can't tell a story, you can't have a good taste of how to like fine tuning things, and sometimes the generated art can be great, but sometimes you got like little bit artifact. You have to like that, and you have to modify that. Yeah, and that's what I thought. And another thing I want to share with you guys is that I recently um, did a lot of study from a Japanese developer. Okay, it's taught and I believe is he or she. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. It's taught, but it's called. He's called he or she is called Toriniku Chan. Great guy. I have to recommend this guy to you guys. Okay, I really learn a lot from this guy, and I've been recently like amazed by his work. Okay, so he's a guy or she's a guy. I'm not sure. Okay, he's really into how to use artificial intelligence to help everyone to create things, and yeah, this is is uh, is the product that Toriniku-chan or Toriniku-san, I'm not sure, uh, did. Okay, so basically, if you can draw something like this, you can use AI to, based on your description, to generate a clear drawing, and then generate like a Senga, which means the lines, and then we can generate a normal map and adding a different light and shadows, and then generate an AI anime kageka. I'm not sure how to speak that in Japanese. It's like just adding anime sort of a shadow, and it just like a all-in-one software that he developed or she developed. I'm not sure. And yeah, I just be amazed and dazzled by this kind of technology, and yeah, this is a great guy and learn a lot from him or her. I'm not sure. Okay, so I learn a lot from Toraniku. Thank you so much. If you're watching this, okay, thank you so much for your work. And yeah, so basically, I've been like learning drawing traditionally and learn AI and how to use it to have more control and have more like a helping hand from AI. And yeah, that's what I did recently. And so a quick takeaway. I've been learning things traditionally. I've been learning a lot about sketching. About recently, I've been learning watercolor. So I work out running in the park and find a good spot, and I use pad to try to quickly practice things so I can like exercise as well as a practice drawing at the same time. And I also practiced drawing digitally, so I finish a drawing like this. Okay, so I learned about the how to draw a clean line art. Right now the line is not 100% perfect. Okay, and I know that I have been like working on that. And about how to add flat color. I've learned a little bit about color theory, so it's like a combination of color is much more smoother and like in harmony than before. I've learned a lot about cell shading and how to add environment and background, how to use Photoshop's camera filter effect. Yeah, just have make this really like you are using a really high-end camera to shoot a sort of effect. And yeah, that's about the traditional art as well as digital art. And also I bring AI to my everyday like working as well as experimenting things. So I bring AI to the 3D modeling software Blender, so I can like using the sketch and generates a 2D asset, and then adding like a normal map or something like that, and then using I believe it's like a triple SR or something like that. I just forgot, but I do make a video about this. I set up a workflow in Comfy UI, just experiment how to quickly generate assets. And then I don't have that time, but I believe as long as I already got this workflow, I will bring that into my next project. So quickly generate a lot of the asset and then modify that in Blender, maybe render this and use a Grease Pencil to use it as base and quickly draw on it. Okay, and I've been learning a lot about LoRa as well as control nets, and yeah, and how to just have more control over the artificial intelligence, and how to without infringing other people's right, how to learn from your own painting or your own work, and apply that hopefully, and quicken the work. And yeah, that's about traditional art and digital art and artificial intelligence as well as modeling. And then I yeah, all that is for the basic practice sort of thing. But I also recently got an urge to create things, so I did a lot of streaming. So if you are you watch me streaming, okay, if you're watching my stream, do join the chat. Oh my gosh, I stream like 8 hours without any people talk to me. I feel like I'm talk to these like MBs. Okay, so just join the chat. Don't be shy. I know a lot of you guys do come, but I think like YouTube's live streaming do not have like Twitch. Like they will announce that hey, you are here, so I can say hello to you. YouTube never gave. I believe maybe it's that I can't find it right now. It's I can't I can't know who is watching my stream, so I have to like just talk to you guys. If you watch my stream, do join the chat, okay? Come on, this is not too difficult, okay? I really want to chat with you guys and just to hear your thoughts and what's your opinion. And so if you watch my stream, you know that I recently want to have an urge to use the technology as well as the technique I learned, and I want to practice it. I want to create a story. I want to tell a story to convey a certain feeling or a certain, I don't know, certain idea. Okay, so I try to create a novel. It's like a quick storyboard and then web comic. Right now, I think the bottleneck is about novel. I'm not a like a really native English speaker, even though I have been speaking English for maybe 20 years. Still, I'm not a native, so I have a really hard time like choosing words and get the idea like across, and then I have a really hard time to actually draw that in a format of a storyboard or in illustration, something like that. So yeah, and it's really time consuming. I have never thought that this is really time consuming. I may just spend one day, 18 hours, just to write one chapter, and just to draw like a 3 or 4 storyboard. I think that's maybe because my skill is not that level yet. But hey, you got to start somewhere, okay? So yeah, that's what I've been doing, and that's my work. And yeah, so yeah, please give me this video a thumb up. And by the way, yeah, I have recently and again I've recently started making shorts, okay? Because I feel that yeah, I'm not like complaining, but I really put hard into like making like a really long form video, and I work really hard in making that. But just one video would just sometimes got like a 40 or 50 views, and it's very frustrating and discouraging. And I don't want to make some like a flashy effects just to grab your attention. I'm just like the guy next door. I don't want to be like just celebrity sort of like refine everything that's like edited. I want to like just to be completely honest with you guys. So I don't want to go through all these flashy things, just treat you as a short span attention sort of thing. I don't know how to say that in English. I want to treat you with respect and with 100% honest. So I don't want to go through all this editing just to grab your attention, okay? But ironically, that kind of like a I don't know, the genuine or the honesty that I want to convey does not sell, does not receive too good in the market. So And I made a short not complaining about this. Is that a lot of shorts is just that use other people's content, and they are not putting a lot of effort. It's very unfair, I think. They're not putting effort. They just use other people's content, and they just show a face at here. Let me just show you. Okay, maybe they just show a face at here, a very tiny little face. Maybe I think maybe they hide that face intentionally, and they will do something like a child face, a sigma face, something like that. Yeah, that's good. Okay, I think maybe I'm going to do that as well. But I'm going to use my own content. I'm not going to like use other people's content, because that's just this. That is still like a slippery slope I don't want to go. But I still right now, if you already know me, I'm right now unemployed, and I really need this business to work. So I have to yeah, like like shouting to everyone else to say, hey, look at my channel. I need everyone to like discover this channel, so we can if they can't discover my channel, every video I may just got like 40 or 50 views. They will never like know that, hey, you got like a really good stuff here, and we have a really interesting people here. So my strategy is to make like short form content, but that's as like a part of my long form content. So you guys don't need to worry. The long form content will still be my like a major focus, but I will like complaining or make jokes at my shorts. So yeah, and of course I will like cut the long form contents to like a bits by bits to publish your shorts. And if you like annoying you, sorry about that. Just a new way. I don't know. I have to like go with the algorithm. Okay, I have to like do that in order to gain more people view, so like they can discover my channel. Okay, yeah, that's what I have been doing recently, and some of my thoughts. So traditionally, digitally, and in terms of modeling, in terms of artificial intelligence, in terms of the future of this channel, my life, and yeah, that's all. So hopefully this video can clarify things, and yeah, thanks for your time, and please give it the video a thumb up. And if you got like anything to say, do please leave in a comment below. I read every comment. I like reply every comment. And I sometimes like a chat with my subscribers a lot. Okay, and yeah. By the way, you're more than welcome to support me directly by joining Patreon. Okay, thanks.